Look at it, but we don't stick.
I think it's what's the right sheets low and low. You know what I'm saying? Going to right, so right should be a big price.
Anywhere, the quickest, the shortest, the...
You and your meal? Eat those little big bites. Give those big bites. Give those big bites. Good. Good girl. Good girl. You gave those big bites. Now you can eat those grass. Tilly. You're so cute. He's eating a meal. Ben is chilling in the shade.
I'm black.
There's Big Ben over there. Okay, give those big, ginormous bites. Good girl. He is so cute. You're so cute. Aren't you so adorable? You're probably one of the old adorable tortoises. Nice. Come on, give those big bites. Give those big bites. Good girl.
So cute. She's eating the grass.